What you got, Dom?
So I know we have recently seen your souped up WeMoTec powered Avanti, but this is the stock Avanti, and actually I've got a KingTac K45 powered turbine Avanti one of these that I converted, which is a lot of fun to fly, I have to say. But even this stock Avanti is fantastic. It's nice just to have some. It's not fast, it doesn't have to be, but it's great at, you know, really good aerobatics, and that's what I really enjoy. So I've had 2 or 3 flights on this today, so I'm going to fly it once more and see if I can do some better aerobatics with it. Here we go. I don't think it gets better than that. You know, the Avanti, you can get it in all forms. You know, this is the cheapest form. You can get FMS do a 70mm version, I think. You got the 80mm version, and then you've got so many different sizes in turbine version. It's just an amazing airframe. And Sebastiano Silvestri, I mean, he absolutely nailed it. He must be, you know, he's licensed the airframe to so many people now. Because it just does work so well. It's absolutely fantastic, and it's not a lot of money for something where you can actually fly real pure jet aerobatics. It's fantastic. So that's the stock one, and look at what you can do. You can upgrade it to like a WeMoTec high power EDF system, or you can even put a turbine system in it. The link for that, if you're interested, It will be in the video description and the pinned comment if you're interested in doing a conversion with a relatively cheap, and I say relatively, turbines are expensive, but compared to the big turbine models that you see that cost $10,000-15,000 pounds, it's not a lot of money compared to that if you want to convert this to turbine and get a turbine experience. But I just love the stock one. So Jason, thanks for filming, mate.
No problem.
Enjoyed that. Lovely evening, spring in the UK. Lots more flying to be done this year now that we are almost out of lockdown properly. So look out for more on Essential RC. If you enjoy our videos, please click on thumbs up. That would be brilliant. And please subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications of our future uploads. But thanks for watching. See you next time.